hats off to amsterdam.com for this wonderful packing. So the lens I bought is Zeiss 16-70mm f4. Searching a lot of online websites and offline stores, finally I got a Sony Alpha E mount lens for my Alpha 6600 16-70mm f4 lens. Now let's open it. So there are operating instructions. So as soon as you open the box, you will find the warranty card. So for lens also we have a 2-year warranty from the date of purchase. The only thing is that you should have the invoice with you. What else? These are the interchangeable lens manual, so on different languages. So this anyway we won't be reading it. And finally we have the lens. Let's take it out. It comes up in this nice bubble wrap. So the lens comes up with this nice leather pouch. I mean, my 50mm lens just come with a bubble wrap, Sony embedded in it. So this is nice to carry. As soon as you open, you will find the lid nicely packed, and finally the lens. This is how the lens look, so tiny. Zeiss E-mount lens, especially for APS-C camera. Best thing I like it over here is that it's not made in China. As you can see, it's from Belgium, imported from Belgium, made in Thailand. Also comes up with a Sony lid. Has optical steady shots. This lens also comes up with optical steady shot, so it's stabilized. My primary lens for vlogging, and the 50mm lens I'll be mostly using for photography, that too portrait street photography. I'll be showing you few of the shots taken from the new lens. So this is a interchangeable lens, the circular aperture, 16-70mm, lens hood included, lens case included, and comes up with optical steady shot. Price on this box is mentioned as 55,490. This is a September 2020 model, manufactured in Thailand, and I got it for 48,147. Thank you amsterdam.com for a prompt delivery. I mean, they deal from Hyderabad, and within 2 days I got this lens delivered to my home. So a great thumbs up for the packing and the delivery. So this is with the new 16-70mm lens. I mean, clarity is good. So this is a sample shot taken from the new 16-70mm f4 lens. So this is the complete wide angle, and if I go further and zoom in, This is 70 mm, so you can see that banana over there. So this is not ideal for wildlife photography, but still this was recommended by many of the vloggers and photographers.